Hello guys, welcome to Visual Food Hub. Today we are making delicious leeks curry. First things first, preparation. Cut the spring onions. Cut the leeks. Now chop one big onion. Heat some oil. I'm using mustard oil. It's very healthy, but you can use any type of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onions. Add methi seeds and brown mustard seeds. Then fry them well with the onions. When the onions are about 70% fried, add the spring onions. Add curry powder. Add chili powder. And salt to taste. Now add the leeks and let them cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. I am adding bell pepper powder and half glass of water. If you prefer, you can replace the water with coconut milk for richer flavor. That's it, your leeks curry is ready to serve. Let me know in the comments if you would like to try this recipe. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tasty dishes.